I'll be in it.
Go ahead, be in it.
Hey guys, you might be wondering what this is, but it's a whole city of Hesses. And we're gonna show you, we're gonna take a little detour.
Alright.
This is the digger. This is the truck. This is Batman hanging on a ladder. This is a race car. There's another race car in the car. There's the car's friend. And that's the race car's friend. And the car's other friend. And this is the plane. This is the other plane and the truck. This is the spaceship. And the jet and the truck.
Can you show me how the jet works?
Sure.
Listen to this. He's ready to go. Come in for a landing. Oh, you didn't. You going around again? What are you doing, like super duper loopers there? Wow, he's a good pilot. Oops, maybe not.
We're gonna crash! Ah!
Land it, land it, land it. Woo, good pilot. Now, do you want to say anything before this film runs out?
This is the last and least where the trucks go.
Look at that. That's pretty cool. So we're going to show them all up close. Oh, can you show how this opens? And what goes in that thing? Oh, so cool. How would we like to have that, Em? I'll put you in that.
No, you better.
I'll put you in the little one. And I'll drive the big one, and then I'll say, here, you're at your school. Drive out. Ready? Jump. And then you jump out like this. You go, all right, Mommy. Woo! Yeah. And then you can, whoops, sorry. When you learn how to drive, you'll be able to learn how to drive. I'm at school. That's when you get your license.
Bye.
Bye.
Can we have a pillow fight?
Wait, just let's listen first.